I am SP Dúpẹ Bright, and this is Delta State Police Command. Stop and search is an integral part of policing. We call it proactive policing strategy. It helps because it helps us to detect and prevent crime. When were you arrested? Yesterday or today?
Arrested yesterday.
Okay. Just yesterday, at the Air Bridge, operative of C Division Asaba, while performing stop and search duty, intercepted this commercial Sienna vehicle,
His boss.
a bus driver along that road. And upon search, these were neatly packaged inside this carton with a phone number. And that's what we keep talking about, waybill. When he was asked, what did he say there inside? When he was asked what was inside this package, he said that it was padlock. You tell them, Abi, not tell them like that.
I told them it's padlock.
It's padlock. Okay, no worry, you go reach your turn to talk. So that's what happened. But the men who, in their usual manner of being very sharp and smart, decided to unveil and check what was inside. Behold, 400 rounds of live cartridges. And according to him, he was transporting it to Edo State in Benin City. My guy, what's your name?
Ozemenam Oyekachukwu.
Okay, where did you get this from?
Somebody brought it at our park at Ekene Drichukwu, where we have park. Blessed Amobi Transport Service.
You don't need to talk too much story. Just answer my question. Somebody brought it for you. When he brought it, what did he tell you was inside this park?
He told me it's a key, the package inside.
So did you try to open and check what was inside?
Yes, I tried, but he could not. I tried because there's one new key he put on top of the bag. Beside this carton is inside one black bag.
So I just want to yes, you tried, but you not feel open now.
Yes.
Which means you accept to carry something that you did not really know what was inside.
Yes.
Based on say they tell you say na padlock, na in dey inside. Now I want to ask you a question. Suppose it was human head or human blood that was packaged and given to you to carry. I will not catch you with that. How are you going to explain yourself? You will tell us that, oh, they told us it was red wine that was inside, Abi. I'm saying this so that people will learn, especially people that call themselves dispatch riders or courier. You must confirm what you are carrying. Most of these things will bring out to the public. It's not to put fear in the mind of anybody, and it's not to say, we want to embarrass anybody. No, it is because for every person who is watching this, they have one or two lessons to learn. This is Delta State Police Command, and here we do our job diligently. Stop and search. We used to get a lot of results. When you see our policemen on the way, just understand that they are there because they want to prevent crime that is likely going to happen elsewhere. Thank you.